Hello everyone, in today's video we will show you how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. In this guide, we delve into this topic and provide insight into various aspects of tracking profile views on TikTok. It's important to note that the platform itself doesn't offer this functionality due to user privacy and security reasons. However, there are some ways to better understand how your content reaches your audience and what tactics can be employed to enhance visibility. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok application on your phone. After that, you need to click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, click on the last option, Settings and Privacy. From the Account section, click on the second option, Privacy. Scroll down until you find the Profile Views option. And when you find it, click on it. Now, you need to enable the option by toggling the switch here. Once you've enabled the option, go back to your profile to see who has recently visited your profile. Click here to see that. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts that have visited your profile in the last 30 days. Profiles won't be shown to you if this option is turned off for you and if it states that you'll be able to see people who have this feature enabled. So, if you don't see anyone here, they either haven't visited your profile or don't have this feature enabled. We hope we've helped you. Thank you for watching.